Live Lingua Spanish, episode 2-1. Objectives. Talk about where you live. When you meet new people, one of the first things you usually want to know is where they live, and they want to know the same about you. In Unit 2, you're going to learn how to reply when other people ask where you live, count from 1 to 10 in Spanish, talk about how long you've lived somewhere, let someone know how much you like or don't like living there, talk about the weather. Let's get started. Empecemos. Hey everyone, I hope you all enjoyed this video and your Spanish is improving like mine. You can continue the Spanish course by clicking on the next episode, which is on your screen right now. If there's any topic you want me to cover in a future episode, please just leave a comment below. And finally, if you want to get additional free Spanish practice, get early access to all of our videos, and find your ideal Spanish tutor, just click on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Hasta pronto.